Well, hi folks, it's been 96 days since I planted the potatoes in the little 10 litre pots. Got some on the floor. Just started to flower now, which is always a sign that there's possibly some potatoes there. So we'll get this out and we'll get it harvested and see what we've got. I'm not expecting a great deal. If I get enough for a meal at this stage, that's a bonus. So £1.5, £2 would be more than enough. So we'll get them out and then we'll harvest it and see what we've got. Alright then folks, I'll just chop the tops off first. I'm not going to replant these like I used to do. So I'll just chop the tops off. As you can see, I put a little frame in to stop them flopping over. Don't know what I'm going to empty them out into. We'll have a look anyway. Right then, the moment of truth. Just tip this out and see if we've got any. Can't see any yet. But you know, oh dear, look at this. Oh no, look. Wow. Look at them already. 96 days. Oh, look at these. Just one seed potato as well. I hope that's not it. Yeah, so hope there's some. Let's think. Hope there's some around this side. Yeah, a few little ones. Thought it was going to be a real cracking crop then. Got a few more. A few more little ones. So it should be enough for a meal anyway. But by the first impressions I thought we were going to get a lot more. But it doesn't matter, does it? Yeah, there's a few more little ones. That's the seed potato there. People say you should leave them longer, let them get bigger. Well, that's the thing with these sort of potatoes. The idea is to eat them when they're small as a delicacy. Obviously the main crop ones I will leave to get as big as possible. But when it comes to new potatoes, the smaller the better. So that's it. After the initial excitement, we just seem to have that many. But not bad. We'll just weigh these. Just about enough for a meal. Like I said, that's all I wanted really. Let's see what we've got. I brought my scales. Turn them on. Put it into pounds. Let's have a feel. I would say there's just about £1 there. 1.15 pounds, so about £1.15 pounds, which is a little bit disappointing considering the first ones I pulled out. I thought it was going to be full of them, but there you go, you can't complain. First little pot of potatoes, 96 days, 1.15 pound. That's about it.